Leanna with you again, and today I want to show you our creation. It's a mini facial in a bag, we will call it, and it's for you guys that you are home and you can't get here. Unfortunately, we cannot have that nice 1 hour facial, so here what you can do at home, meanwhile take care of your skin, and then you get back and we can continue taking care of your skin. So in the small bag we will have a few steps, products, and everything will be numbered, so you don't have to worry about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you have another mask, so I will say 9. And bags will come with hairband, and you can, it will be different colors, whatever that moment will have for you. Spatula and sponge, disposable, you can use it, since you're gonna just the one who use it, you can reuse it and wash it with soap, sponge and spatula. But try to take all the products from the jars with spatula, so you don't contaminate the products, and then you can use it again. First step will be your cleanser. Then after that we have for you a little bit like gommage slash exfoliation. After exfoliation we'll have a mini peel, which will be not feeling as a burning your skin, how the usually peel will feel. It will be more like a heating, so it's gonna give you blood circulation, it's gonna feel nice and plumped. So after peel you can go ahead and spray, so this will help you to cool down a little bit, but then also it will balance back pH of your skin. So after that I like you to use your collagen ampoules, and this one is from Biotherapeutic. It's collagen and elastin ampoules. So after you apply ampoules, you can go ahead and apply your mask on the top of that. So while you're applying ampoules, you're gonna wait, the ampoules will penetrate a little bit, feels like more drier than wet. So then you go with masks. So we have 2 options for you for mask. One it's like a cream style mask, and another one it's a sheet mask. So the sheet mask by itself, it comes in a bag, you're gonna open. One thing I can say that sheet mask also you can use twice, because since your face gonna be nice and clean, so there will be nothing that can stay on your face. So you can use the sheet mask and then open nicely your pack, so you can then fold it and put back, because it has a lot of product in it, so you can get wet again, so you can reuse it one more time. And meanwhile I want to tell about the mask that comes in this pack. It's from Biotherapeutic again, and it has a facial part and also has a neck part, so it's gonna go and cover your jawline, and it's going over your ears, and the lower part comes and goes over your ears. So don't surprise when you see it looks something different than you will see usually. So it helps to tighten up and hydrate also all the jawline. I always recommend to use all products for face, but don't forget your neck, and then don't forget your décolletage area. That's the area where sometimes, and I can say most of the time, you're forgetting, but it's important part of the skin, and that's where we'll show mostly skin thinner on the neck, so it's need hydration, it's need intention. So please don't forget your neck part. So after you take off mask or cleanse your mask with water, you're gonna have your eye gel supply around your eyes, and try to dump it, and usually the finger, the softer finger you're gonna use to just apply eye, and you can go all over orbital area and under eye, and then you're gonna finish up with with this cream. It's a gel actually, very nice, soft. You're gonna finish up your facial with the gel. So after, since we're most of the time at home, I don't include your sunblock here, but everybody, I believe that you have your own sunblock at home in case if after facial you decide to go, and as usually facial no facial, just apply your sunblock and that will be your mini facial. And this kit will be enough for anywhere from 1 to 2 to sometimes 3 facials, and you can do it once a week or 2 weeks one time. So it's all depend how much time you have in this work at home, stay home, quarantine time. So please let me know if you are interested. We will have these kits available for you to pick up from Lily Laser, and we'll post this on our website. We will post it on a Facebook, and we'll have price there for you. Take care and have a great day.